It's like that kind of loud that like makes your nuts tingle a little bit. They officially made it to the Australian Grand Prix 2026 here in Melbourne. Check this out, bro. I've got a bit of a confession to make. I don't really know the first thing about this sport. We're gonna learn all about it today. Check this out though, real quick.
Most interesting birds on the planet in this country, I swear to God. What is that, bro? A chicken?
I was checking out the merch earlier. Insane prices, but I was assuming that. There's a big problem with Formula One merch. Ugly, it's horrible. They're all like littered with sponsors, bad colors, and bad logos. I feel like I could do a way better job. Formula One, if you're watching this, man, hit me up. We need more swag in the sport, I think. I think after today, y'all, I might just be a little bit invested in this sport. Guys, they're giving out free noodles here. Oh, I'm excited.
Can you open for me?
Yeah. Have you found our Instagram?
Oh.
You want a noodle and a keychain?
Hey, okay. These are so good, bro.
Yeah.
And this one, thank you so much.
No worries.
I got a pack of noodles in my back pocket. Here's what it sounds like to me. Meow, meow, meow. That's what it sounds like, okay? The whole sport is meow, the whole sport, meow, meow. See, I'm getting a little bit hungry. So guess what we're gonna do, guys? It's time for a little food review. We're gonna have a nice shot of this espresso. Oh, she's burned the bean. I don't know about that, man. Shout out to Jim Skin. Super bitter. It's not terrible, though. 4.3. We're gonna throw it back to where it all began. We got a beef and cheese pie from Walker's Donuts. I asked for a sauce here as well, and guess what? She gave it to me. Let's go, baby. $10 for this pie, guys, by the way. How's it looking to you guys? It looks okay to me. It feels pretty good, too. It's got some weight to it, I'll be honest. Cheers, 1, 2, 3. She's a big girl. She's heavy.
Is that a good pie?
You want a bite?
Nah, I'm full.
You sure?
Hey vlog,
I'll take a bite.
this is a pie. Is this for YouTube?
Oh,
It's for TikTok. You got it, bro. Go on.
That's good.
Yeah, you gotta rate it. You gotta rate it. What do you think, bro?
8.5.
8.5 from him.
Why do you pack of noodles?
I got it over there, bro. They got free noodles over there.
Guys.
What's your name, bro?
Obi.
Obi. Silas.
Silas?
Nice to meet you, bro.
Beautiful name.
8.5 by Obi. Okay, you're on this
on
part. That's me, yeah.
Oh my god! Hit that follow button, hit that like. It's cool.
Thanks, guys. Thanks,
Let him
Obi.
look.
Obi.
Yeah.
Thank you, guys. I appreciate it. Yeah, knuckles,
Enjoy the
knuckles.
rest of your pie. Follow, hit subscribe.
Please. All right, guys, we just got a little rated right there. That was pretty cool, though. I think I'm gonna go 7.6 on this pie. It's kind of my favorite place out of everywhere, really. A lot of cool people here, a lot of really nice students here. It's a little overstimulating here, I'll be honest. I found more food, of course. It's like my special ability is sniffing out the food. I can't wait to try 8 smoked inches. We're gonna go for a brisket sub. It says smoked for 12 hours. It should be pretty good, bro. I'm excited. Let's do it. Check this bad boy out real quick. It said Texas style barbecue sauce or something like that. I don't even know. Let's just go for it. I'll be honest, the bread is a little bit hard, but the beef brisket is actually so good, bro. The barbecue sauce is really good too. It's nice and sweet, a little bit tangy. Having a freaking day out here. My American ass is very happy right now. We're gonna go 8-1 on this, dude. I'm gonna take down these 8 inches. I'll see you in a bit. My overall takeaways is I actually like this sport a little more than I thought. And it's like that kind of loud that like makes your nuts tingle a little bit. It makes you just like say, fuck yeah, dude. Formula One might actually be pretty cool. And number 2, high schoolers really scare me. That's all I have to report for now. I'll check in with you guys in a little bit.